Like Nanay Christy asked, kung i-interview mo si Bibi, gandang hari, ano yung unang itatanong mo sa kanya? Out of nowhere, I said, I want to know kung meron siyang sama ng loob sa akin or hinanakit or something to that effect na hindi mo pa nasasabi sa akin.
Honestly, wala. Kasi sa totoo lang, wala ka naman talagang kinalaman doon sa kung ano man yung nangyari sa past ni Carmina at ni Rostom. At kung meron akong nararamdaman tungkol sa'yo, hindi siguro sama ng loob o galit, kundi pasasalamat actually na I can see that you're taking care of Carmina and I'm very happy. Ang gusto ko lang naman is mapunta sa maganda si Carmina in the end. And I think she is very happy with you. And if only for that, wala. I mean, kung samaan at samaan ng loob, wala. Or galit, wala. Kung ang pag-uusapan si Rostom, ha? Yes. Kumbaga bago pa namayapa si Rostom, hindi siguro samaan ng loob yun or hindi tampo. Kung hindi, of course at that time, parang siguro wini-wish niya na yung happiness na nararamdaman ninyong dalawa is sana na-experience din niya yun. Siguro yun lang yun.
Sino yung unang pumasok sa isipan mo na pag-aamin ka na this is me? Sino yung top 3?
Actually, dalawa lang eh.
Okay.
Sa nanay ko, o siguro kasama na yung siguro pamilya, at saka kay Carmina. Si Carmina.
Okay. Doon sa mother mo muna, ano yung initial reaction niya? And how did you say it?
Yun ang parang ironic doon. Kasi doon sa tatlong yon si Carmina lang ang nakausap ko.
What? Seriously?
Oo.
Okay, nung aamin ka kay Carmina noon, which is, nagpaalam siya sa akin. And to be frank, I was afraid for her. Sabi ko, teka, are you sure? Alam mo, sabi niya sa akin, I think I owe him this kasi the time na she needed to talk to you, pumayag kang kausapin siya. Sabi niya, in return, sabi niya, papayag ako.
Doon ko nakilala si Carmina. Doon nabuo yung respeto ko sa kanya bilang tao. At sabi ko sa sarili ko na, siguro sa lahat ng nangyari, it was a blessing na si Carmina yung naging parte. Kung may masakit man na nangyari o kung ano man, pero it was a blessing na kay Carmina lahat naging experience kasi napakaganda ng handling ng mga nangyari. I was very thankful and I was also very grateful na pumayag ka. Kasi syempre at that time may sarili na kayong buhay.
Yes, pero you know, isa lang naman ang kinuwento niya sa akin dito sa pag-uusap ninyo. You said sorry to her.
Oo, yes.
Oh yeah, you said sorry to her and nagtawanan lang kayo after that sorry. Was it difficult for you to say sorry or was it difficult for you to say, eto ko, and I'm sorry for all those years or whatever na nagtago ako?
Yes and no kasi it was difficult because you wanna make her feel na there was deception at that time because probably there wasn't.
Okay.
So yung pagsusorry is kung mangyayari man ito ngayon, baka masaktan ka, kaya ako nagsusorry. Or baka maapektuhan ka, or baka meron ka maisip na hindi maganda, kaya ako nagsusorry. It was difficult also na sabihin sa kanya yun kasi ayoko na kasing pahabain eh, di ba? But nangyari yun kasi I just out of respect. Kung merong isang tao na nakakilala kay Rostom, I think si Carmina yun eh. So I just thought I owe it to her. The honesty and all.
Let's compare, you and Rostom, not in a physical way, but more on character, yung traits. Ano yung wala siya si Rostom noon at si Bibi meron?
Siguro one, pwede ko masabi is Rostom is very insecure. Masyadong people pleaser si Rostom eh. Siguro that's one major difference sa amin dalawa. Ako ngayon is, I'm very self-assured.
Okay.
I know what I want. I know what I can do. And I don't please people. Parang, people like me, well and good. Kung hindi naman, wala tayong magagawa. Talagang ganyan, you can't please everyone.
Some people, titignan nila, oh, si Bibi, she's like this now, she's tall, nag-heal siya. But deep inside the character of Bibi, marami pala siyang pinagdadaanan. Noon, ngayon, at bukas, anong plano mo sa mga future mo? Can you honestly say na kompleto ka na?
Well, I can say I'm happy. But I can be happier. Para nabablanko naman ako sa tingin mo sa akin.
Tama pala yung mga hinala ko na it's not that easy. Meron talagang pinagdadaanan at meron mga trials araw-araw.
Oh, yes. In fact, tinatanong nga nila if this is a preference or what. Sabi ko, no, this is an orientation. My sexuality is an orientation, it's not a preference. So it's not a choice. Because if this is a choice, wow, 100 times kung iisipin to, this will be my choice. But it's not a choice. So, but since it's not a choice, kahit mahirap siya, kailangan mong harapin, kailangan mong tanggapin.
Ibigay ka opportunity naman na, sige, tanungin mo akong 3 tanong na gusto mong itanong sa akin. Kahit na ano.
Ganyan, kahit ano. Bakit mo ako gustong ma-interview?
Gusto kita talagang ma-interview. Hindi ako, si Carmina. Because I want that closure in the eyes of the public. So gusto ko sa masara siya and maintindihan ng publiko na it's really not a big deal sa ating 3. It's just a big deal dahil hindi pa tayo nagkikita-kita. And pangalawa, sa akin naman, the reason why gusto kitang ma-interview because I really want to get to know you. Dahil kasama ka sa past niya, you're part of the history na hindi na yung mabubura. Kahit ano pang sabihin mo, you're still included. And gusto kitang makilala. And very thankful na you said yes to this interview. Nagkakilala tayo. And I'm very happy and nabunutan ako ng tinig sa mga narinig ko sa'yo and lalo kitang nirespeto.
Second question. Given the choice, sino mas gusto mo ma-interview? Si Rostam o si Bibi?
Sa tingin ko ikaw.
Okay.
Dahil mas marami akong magagandang itanong sa'yo and marami kang mas magagandang masasabi sa akin. Medyo mas kabado ako kung Rustom ang interviewin ko.
Why?
Magiging guy-to-guy talk eh.
Okay.
Hindi kagaya natin.
Right.
You know, mas calm, may ngitian tayo, may tawanan. Mas kalmado siya. Ikaw, mas gusto talaga kita. Mas gusto kita. Close na nga tayo, di ba?
Third question. Gaano mo kamahal si Carmina?
Hindi pa ako nagloloko. You know, maraming hindi naniniwala. Maraming tukso. Nandiyan yung tukso, siyempre. Pero malaki talaga sakripisyo ko din. To keep the family intact. So ang ginagawa ko talaga para makaiwas ako doon, hindi na talaga ako lumalabas. I mean, I hang out with the kids. Gaano ko kamahal si Carmina? Ayoko kasing cliche yung sagot eh.
Tama.
Oo. Siguro right now, kasi she's not good in money. Siguro, sa sobrang mahal ko sa kanya, I'm so afraid na pag mawala ako, mauna ako sa kanya.
Bata mo pa naman. Hindi na mausap.
Oo, ganun kasi ako mag-isip eh, you know? Siniset ko na siya. Just in case mawala ako, meron na siyang mga investment na hindi niya alam.
Parang, wala ka bang kapatid? No, joke lang. Hindi ko alam kung sa kanya ko nasabi to, kung kanino, pero sabi, nakita ko kayo sa guesting isang guesting. Siguro that was a time na, siyempre hindi naman ganito all throughout. May panahon na, pag nakikita mo yung parang, mga 10 years ago, mga 7 years ago, yung mga parang, alam mo yun, hindi mo alam kung ano yung nararamdaman mo tuwing nakikita mo. But, when I saw you both, hindi ko alam kung sa commercial o sa isang TV guesting. But, what I saw was enough. Sabi ko, I should be happy for them. Because I think, kung meron akong wish for Carmina, hands down, isa lang just for her to be happy, no matter what. I just want her to be happy.
Thank you. Tama naman yung mga nakikita mo. So, from here, sana this is a beginning for all of us na it's really everything's under the bridge, you know, water under the bridge. Ito, bagong pakikitungo sa isa't isa. Kumbaga, you know, let's start as a family. We can be a family, di ba?
Wow.
Wala namang problema to.
Yun yata yung pinakamaganda kong narinig ngayon. I'm very happy that I finally talked to you and hopefully meet your whole family.
Yeah.
Really. That's my wish. One day, I want to meet your family.
Okay, thank you.
Maybe I can give you a hug.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,